Mike from M&R, what are we doing today?
We have the Nissan Frontier Pro X edition, and we're going to be removing the grille and putting in some light bars.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's pop the hood. So the first thing you have to do is remove these push pins to be able to get this plastic piece off, and you'll have room to the lower grille. You just kind of pry these up, and you could use a prying tool after this is up, prying tool, and just get these out of the way. Four. Five. Six. So next thing we're gonna do is grab the corner after we get the top off and just pry it back little by little. Get both sides. So the only thing that's held is just the bottom. Let's see what's holding the bottom together. So I see a large tab. You just gotta push on it. No? Do I just pull it a little bit? Let's see. Or at least there's a little tab on the bottom. You just gotta lift it up. If you want to get in here, I'll show you exactly how I do it. The ones in the corners are harder, so just from the bottom press up, and then you'll be able to get it out like this. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the one in the corner, 7 total tabs. After you release the bottom tabs, you can just remove the grille. There's one harness. This version came with a camera. You just unclip the harness and pull the grille off. Now, super simple. I want to pinpoint the clips that we're removing on the bottom. It's hard to get the camera in there. So there's flaps that go inside and they clip in. So what we're actually going underneath the flap, pressing it up, and then you're able to remove the grille outward. So there's how many clips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total. And then there's those 2 clips that are held the grille on top. So 7 on bottom, and these 2, and you just pull those open. And now this concludes the video of us removing the grille. While we had the grille off, we went ahead and installed a couple of light bars inside the grille from M&R Automotive. Come take a look.